Nkathaya uria wari mujumbe wa Tigania West Dr. Sarah Kilemi na arombete atongeria kujokia muthigo kenda gucokaniria ntura cietu akiuga bwinthoni mono kuna Meru netongeretie na ana banini kugieu na kinya mantu jege mukingo John Thiga naraniritie nawe na gututumira report ije.
Sarah Kilemi uragwije kene mono tantino mogobara bakumereria matagitike mutongere wa Ekuru County Meru aruga ibo na imbice tarimbega kona County Meru gitongere na mantu mamo mara matari mega mareo mantu megenie na kwinyange kiwendo twana tunini urima wa mukingo kirembe umbithi agakinya mantu megenie na andu ache kimeyunto kuwa wa mutongere wa rari na bati kwigua akiraithiria bura umba kurutha kwenda guthiria mantu ama County Meru na mano bichibo mutongeria wa Ekuru
Meru. We are leading in anything that is anything but good. Kwethira ni manto ya HIV AIDS kiana vatinage itwe tutongerete. We are among the top. Twa yake manto ya gender based violence, we are still among the top. Twa yake cancer cases, we are still the top. Twa yake child abuse na violation ya right cia twana, Meru we are top. Boto bwiri wichuria turia atongeria kana turia atongeria ba Meru is what is it that you as a leader you are doing. Iroethe iba ba gender based, uroethera iba ba non-domestic violence, uroethera ni ba Ekuru kana akuru ba kwa bakengwa kithia ne kuru ne akuru bo bakengwa nyana na muchi. All those cases ibweri kwethera the person who amirete those marginalized group is the woman representative. But to enka, there are other leaders also. Kinya atongeria ba community, they should also be seen to be fighting that vice because you vice but it is going to wipe our future generation.
Narantika gitani wa korombete na batongeria wa matura na kakinya mpangi ciokaria utigira rira kana Kenya ngo kiwendo uraruthita yuntu ikati guthi na mbere na kwarirwo kinjero etu kana imumungo ithira nontu manto imwe mote manthe to imwe ithi na mbere na kwangarata na County Meru ndetu ikithiragua kimuji
manto ya anabanini anabakethwa pregnant kana baka violated by antubanene. It is the government and the administration I call antubaba riomit onturene cietu itobaici. We know them but we cover them. When we cover those kind of sins or those kind of crimes no wekendelea. So responsibility ya Mumeru wende na arari ukethia no kumenya muntu nyanyasite kana kanini kana areta arawata kana arethia kana pregnant. Let us bring them to justice and let the authority take control of that. Na yarema umeagwere mombu aitu bwirio joganya keke Meru
ki reporter na cia Weru mbita wa John Thiga.